What's up, everybody? Today is day 2 of me vlogging. Thanks to Jimmy. Appreciate it. Not really, but hey, something new, something different. This morning when we got up, we were gonna be going to Collinsville, I think it is. Yeah, Collinsville historic site. It's all about the 1930s, 40s, and 50s and how they lived. But they were closed because they do not open on the weekdays. They open only on the weekends. Saturdays and Sundays and special occasions. But so we decided to come to this epic place where we're gonna be taking a boat tour through some caverns and stuff, and it's awesome. Oh wow, they do geocaching here too. Yes, my mother-in-law, the girls, and the wife are sitting right over there waiting. As you can see them, they're walking over there to see that sign. See them? Right over there. And this place is pretty nice, pretty epic. Let's see what they have here. Oh, they got a map. So we're right now, it's called Lost River Cave. It's tell us about the parks and nature activities, and oh, they do zip lining here. Awesome. And you can see animals as white squirrel, cottontail rabbit, the American goldfinch, red foxes, the crayfish, and the bullfrogs. Those are some of the animals you can see around here in the wildlife. And they got different trails, as you can see, going that way. Some trails going that way. Water fountain, very important. And then, let me see where I saw it. I saw it real quick. They have the upper trails, which is once again that way. And then they got the butterfly habitat, which is down that way. And the blue holes. But we'll see. Cut it short right here, so when we are at the actual caves, I'll keep on recording. All right, laters. So right now we're going inside the cave. This is epic, and look at this. I don't know if you can see me too well, but it feels nice. It feels cool. We just got an orientation on safety and also on the history of this place. Before I get on the boat, this is what look at. This is awesome. This is awesome. Now they're prepping the first group, which is over there, and then we are the second group. They have to have safety vests for the kids older than 12 years old, and then anybody older than 12. Well, we get this little cube right here, which we have to put on our chest if something happens, God forbid. But nothing will happen. So here we go, and talk to you later. Bye. This is almost the end of the tour, and it's pretty low, as you can see. It's pretty nice. Can't complain. How awesome is this? Look at this. And then, look at that. So my wife conquered 2 fears in less than a week. First, we went to Nazi's Trace Bridge in Franklin, Tennessee. Even though she was on it, she didn't look over, but she was on the bridge. She would never do that. Sitting, she would never do that. And now we went through this cave tour, and she was in it back and forth. That's like epic. Give yourself a hand of applause. She's a smart ass, I know. She's my wife. But yeah, we're about to head out because it looks like it's gonna storm. As you can see all around me, it does not look good. And that was our amazing tour guide right over there. Thank you. So yeah, guys, 1/4 mile down there that way. I don't think we're gonna make it.
Can we come back then? We can come back.
Yeah. Look at this epic bridge. Look at this epic bridge. Oh, imagine a couple of photo shoots right here. That'd be awesome. Well, it was cool over there. Now it's kind of warm over here, so we know that bad weather's coming. And we'll see. We'll see where we end up next. So, caverns now, tour, and windy weather. Let's see what it ends up, all right? So actually, it didn't rain that much over there where we were at. So we just ended up going to Sonic. From Sonic, we just grabbed everything for the go and started driving home. Finally made it home, and now my mother-in-law with the girls and the wife are at the TNT fireworks place, buying fireworks for tonight and for tomorrow, especially for tomorrow. Tonight the city of Clarksville will be having them at the Riverside, and tomorrow will be at Post, which is Fort Campbell, which is a base, is an Army base, and it's half Tennessee and half Kentucky. But we need to go in through gate 4 or 7 to be able to be part of the show tomorrow, the fireworks show, sorry. But yeah, I had a great day, I had a great time, and let's see where it takes us next. If not, I'll let you guys know. Bye. So we did decide to come to Liberty Park and watch the fireworks here. We've also been watching a little of a lightning show. Say hi. I got the camera set up already, and the girls are playing, as you can see over there. So after this, we're gonna pack after the fireworks and everything, pack and go home. And I hope you enjoy the show, and I'll be posting pictures later, all right? Deuces.